हाँ हाँ हाँ, हम लोग गए थे। ताज का मैकडोनल्ड हो गया, बेंचेत अपना घर बेघर हो गए. हाँ, because Taj was like our second home. We used to sit there nights and nights, the whole of night, late at night, and all those things. So it was like, suddenly, all of a sudden, we are on the road now. There's no shelter like. So the so-called Naka broken, break हो गया पूरा. Friend circles cut हो गया अपना. Meeting, there was no meeting point like, nothing like Taj जैसा meeting point था ही नहीं. Then आज तक अभी तक there's no meeting point now. नहीं, अभी तक रहा ही नहीं. So I don't go to McDonald's. I feel the pinch. चला एक ज़माने में अपना नाका था, अपना अड्डा था, उठना बैठना था, पूरा एक साथ में कट हो गया. अभी सब चूतिया क्राउड आते हैं वो चूतिया बर्गर खाने के लिए.
See, first of all, I don't know, for me, it was not painful or anything in that sense. I'll tell you why. Because for me, the painful part or the more painful part was to see Taj in the process of being renovated. Okay, by the time McDonald's finally opened, I was pretty much resigned to the idea. Okay, it was just now there in stark reality. When you see those arches, vulgar arches, it was stark reality. But for me, when Taj was being renovated, the shutter was down, but there used to be this grill in the shutter where we used to go and peer inside, and that used to be much more gloomy for me, much more dismal, because for me to relate a place which was so full of life. And that's the thing. Taj had its own life in that sense. It might be because of Behroz's clamor, whatever, but it had its life with its rude waiters. I mean, waiters were rude. Okay, just because they knew us and practically friendly with us, we got good treatment, but they were rude. So for me, that was very painful to see Taj in a single tube light in that big room and a lot of supports and the dirt of renovation. That was bad. Yeah, of course, when McDonald's really opened and when I saw the sterile hygiene of that place, Taj was by no means a hygienic place. I mean, it was clean as Indian restaurants go, but when I was basically put off by the total contrast that it offered. Okay, in that sense, I have no personal feud against McDonald's. I don't like it, okay, but I mean, there are people who like it. There will always be a lot of people who like McDonald's. They do, I mean, okay, why do Hindi films run? You can't really, it serves no purpose analyzing these things. I mean, there are people who go to Lonavala on the weekends. there are. I mean, क्या कर सकते? You can't do a thing about it. I mean, I'm sure those kind of people go to McDonald's. I also go to McDonald's when I'm hungry, and so for me, when McDonald's opened, I don't know. It was also a part of a larger phenomenon that, oh God, now like this guy going to screw up Bombay. Period. So in that sense, ठीक है, Taj भी गया. I mean, I'm mourning for Taj and I'm mourning for all those places now. Yeah. But I'm not the mourning kind. It was inevitable. I mean, क्या कर सकते? I mean, what can you do? Nothing. You can't do anything. I mean, it's like, I mean, what can you do that you have a Shiv Sena BJP government? Nothing. It's happening. I don't know. So it was resignation. And it was not a resignation of a very, oh God, like my life is now, I'm resigned to a ruined life. Okay, it's gone. More shrug of the shoulder kind of resignation. Yeah. I don't know. The vital difference here is until Taj happened, I've always found replacements. Okay. But after Taj, I have not found replacement. No, I don't think so. And there I feel that the change is not in me. I'm still pretty much the same kind of person. I would still love to hang around in the evening. I hate going home in the evenings. I mean, what do? Your mom is watching TV. So, I mean, you need to chat in the evening. You need to just, whatever, hang around. So, in that sense, I have not changed. But yes, there are no more places to hang around in. I mean, and the strange thing is, I'm not that uneasy with that feeling too. That there are no more places to hang around in. That's what I'm saying. When I say that I've accepted it. It's going to happen. There are no more places to hang around. There are no more places to hang around. What to do? It's like this only. The young are different. I mean, probably when someone a little older than us saw us sitting around at Taj doing nothing, and those were the times when you did absolutely nothing. Especially when you were inside those four walls, you didn't do anything. And probably related to this oriental thing of the banyan tree. You know, कि क्या गांव में even अभी भी होता है that villagers gather around and generally who's sleeping with whom kind of we never talked about that. But being upper middle class Indians who didn't like gossip, but so, but I think it was the same thing. In that sense, the Indian character has not changed. Or, I don't know, it might be Asian. I don't know. Lukhagiri kind of thing. But I've seen the Arabs do it. Just hookah, peene ka. So, and now what? I mean, now the young want to, let's do something on the weekend. What am I going to do? And you ask someone in our time, what do you do on the weekend? Soya. That's the difference. I don't know. Aajkal they do something. They hang out in pubs. Hanging around I don't think has stopped. Probably they have more money. We never had money also.
Okay, when the restaurant McDonald's opened, it opened with a huge rush. Okay, there was this phenomenal queue outside McDonald's, people wanting to enter and so on. We knew it had opened. We knew it had opened. We did not know. I mean, we went there once, twice. We saw the queue. We said we are not going into McDonald's. I mean, we're not going to stand in this queue. Okay, we'll wait for the rush to subside and so on. The rush continued for a week and so on. So one day we said finally, fuck it, I mean, let's go. जाने दो, जाते हैं ऐसे ही. Let's see what it is. And we stood in the queue and it was horrible, okay, because basically you could walk into this place. This place was yours, like, okay. You could walk in any time. I mean, they used to open the shutters for you. And here you were standing in the queue outside and then the hijab people and there was this rude gateman. I mean, they have to be rude, I presume. So you went in. You went into a place which was very posh. I mean, really, the interiors were really done up very well. It was looking, I mean, not good, but a lot of money was spent there. But you weren't recognized. Nobody knew you, and nobody knew anybody there. So, I mean, I don't think anybody, the employees of McDonald's, whoever they are, will ever have a one-to-one relationship with any of their customers. I don't think that could happen. And in New Empire, all the regular customers were known to the people who were running the restaurant. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a horrible, awesome experience.
But not because the lines and all. I mean,
See, I'll tell you how. We went there with Satish, Vikas, Aditya, myself, I think, four of us. It was horrible in the sense you ate the food and you sat. Most of the time, nobody talked. I mean, we felt so fucked. Okay, nobody talked about what's happening, why it's happening. I mean, you just sat there. Satish was totally gone. He did not eat. Okay, we managed to eat some of the food and so on, but it was a horrible place. I mean, totally. What they made you stand in the line and they served you as you went past. Yeah, what? How much will you like a place like that?
perfect.